someone wants some jobs done in their house and I am being entrusted with it.
I want to be able to do stuff around the house.
1 to 10 of DIY skills, I'd say there are -3.
I could make these people absolutely gutted.
No!
I am useless at everything I do.
Oh no!
I don't really know what I'm doing. What is up, what is down? Why do you need a trader and someone to come and help today?
Just don't have the time.
I'm a single mum.
I don't think we have the technical knowledge.
We have no drawers in this kitchen.
I was hoping to have a media wall.
Am I meant to know what this is?
Best get cracking.
I'm gonna make a carpenter of you yet.
Absolutely no idea what's next. You're marking up inches.
I always do that.
I can do this, you know.
No, I'm not doing it. No, you're doing it. He's a diva.
You give me a blunt saw. I'm losing the will to live.
This is honestly like brain surgery.
You trust me?
Wholeheartedly.
I messed it up.
Potentially, she could be a hindrance.
I'm steamy. I was sleeping with Frank Lampard.
I'm gonna smash the board up.
No, I'm gonna have to start again, mate.
I'm actually confident about doing this.
Oh, sweet Lord.